Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Isa. Thank you so much for being here. So today's video is such an exciting one because today I'm going to be unboxing the new iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I am so grateful that I get to do these videos, and I'm also so grateful that I got to buy this phone for Christmas for myself. So let's get straight onto the unboxing, and then I'm going to chat a little bit about the phone.
Bartender yelling out them drinks. Will the cover band off key sings? Yeah. Can I tell you a secret? Between you and me, all I can think about is leaving here early to get you alone. Pulling you into me. Not even music on. Nothing but you, my tea, white sheets. Between you and me, between you and me, yeah. You know me like no one. It's like you get done up to get me undone, killing me in that dress all night. It's only 8 and I'm down to close down this place, yeah. But I'd rather close up this space. White sheets between you and me, between you and me, yeah. Between you and me, between you and me, yeah.
It's so pretty, it's so perfect. It is the size of my hand, and I have pretty long hands, like fingers. I have pretty long fingers. This is the size for you to compare it. I do like to have like bigger phones rather than smaller phones. I wanted to share the iPhone that I had previous to this one, and that is the iPhone 11. So I had this one in purple. Let's put a comparison of the size for you to see. So the new phone, it is bigger than the iPhone 11, but I completely love how big the phone is, and I actually really like the squareness of the phone. Like, I really enjoy how it sits on your hands, like when you grab it, rather than this one. It's kind of also smaller, but since the phone is round, it sits kind of weird when you grab it. So I do like this one better than this one. So I did want to do a photo comparison from this one to this one. And obviously this phone has the 3 cameras and this one does not. But I wanted to also try the front camera on both and compare that and see the differences.
In my world, I don't worry, darling.
So I also bought this case from the Apple store, and my boyfriend gave me this one for Christmas, and it's so cute. It was so much cheaper, and it's kind of almost the exact same thing. And I'm also going to link everything that I got down below. I also got a screen protector from Belking, but from the Apple store. So guys, I wanted to make this video because I love unboxings. I have a bunch of unboxings on my channel, and I am so grateful that I get to do these videos. And if you like this video, please subscribe down below, become part of the fam, and comment any video request or anything that you will like me to do in the future. And I appreciate every single one of you that comments on my videos. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!